In today's video, I'll show you how to open Local Group Policy Editor on Windows 11 laptop or PC. So for this, at first what you need to do is just go to search and search for System. And then just open up Systems from Settings. It will open this up and we came here to check our Windows 11 version. So scroll down a bit and you'll see the edition and version. As you can see, my version is Pro, so you'll have to be in Pro version or Enterprise version of Windows 11 to be able to edit the Local Group Policy Editor. So just close this. As you saw, I had met the requirement of Pro or Enterprise of Windows 11, so I can access the Local Group Policy Editor. Now to go there, what I have to do is just go to search and paste this, which is gpedit.msc. Again, it's gpedit.msc. Just type this and you'll find this in the best match. Just open this up. And as you can see, this is the Local Group Policy Editor. And I've successfully opened it. And basically that is it. And that is how to open Local Group Policy Editor on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe.